In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to an Instapage page. By the end, you'll have your page set up to load your tags through Google Tag Manager, so you can manage analytics, pixels, and scripts from one place without editing your page over and over. Start by heading to Google Tag Manager at tagmanager.google.com and sign in with the account you use for your site. If you're brand new, create a container for your website. A container is simply the bucket that holds all your tags, triggers, and variables for a specific site or app. When the container is created, you'll see a unique container ID that looks like GTMXXX. Copy that ID exactly as it appears. It's usually visible at the top of the workspace or in the admin area. Be careful not to include any spaces before or after it when you copy. An extra space can prevent the integration from working. Now switch over to your Instapage dashboard. Go to Pages and open the specific page you want to track. Click the page name to open the Settings slide-out. That's where Instapage keeps the configuration for that particular page. In the slide-out, choose Integrations, then go to Marketing Tags and Pixels. You'll see a list of options there. Select Google Tag Manager. Paste the GTM container ID you copied earlier into the field, exactly as it appears. Capital letters, dash, and numbers included, with no changes. This tells Instapage which container to load when someone visits this page. Click to save the integration so your changes stick. To make your tracking live, update or publish the page. Publishing applies the integration to the public URL, which is where your visitors will actually trigger the Tag Manager container. Drafts or previews may not consistently load third-party scripts, so publishing ensures the container fires as expected on the live page. If you're working with different page variants, remember that publishing updates what's currently live for that page's URL. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. Use the correct container for the site you're tracking. Mixing up IDs between environments can lead to confusing data. If you don't see data right away, give it a few minutes after publishing, as caching and propagation can cause brief delays. And if you manage multiple pages in Instapage, you'll configure this integration on each page where you want Tag Manager to load. That's it. You've connected Google Tag Manager to your Instapage page, so you can manage all your tracking centrally from GTM while keeping your landing page clean and easy to maintain.